Hello, fellow traders. As you can see, was practically correct. Uh, we had the fall down until this week, and now it looks like it's gonna go down a bit. I tracked it on here better. So you have this um, weekly timing, and then we close under this. That means we're heading lower. Um, I know I'm tracking on the here because I put a new reversals. You can see it's 67,690. We three times we tried to touch it and failed to take it out. That means either we move back a bit, or it's gonna try to take out. Today is a big turning point, so see, my gut feeling is telling me it's gonna move down. Um, but you see how accurate are these reversals? It touched this one, 63, 263, and then it bounced up, right? Um, Unfortunately, there's not, you know, um, a good short on ETF side, so I use BT, and it can be sometimes tricky, to trade it. But as you can see, this one and this one, actually, it's, you know, uh, something that you can use in trading Bitcoin. Um, it's very volatile, but you know, you do your own research. I'm gonna post the raise and the reversal in the private blog or private paid blog. This is not my information, and I have to pay for it too. So yeah, just let me know what you think and what else you wanted me to do next. Happiness. But have a nice one.